Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so I'm at the part where I'm going to do the collar area. So what you can do is you can knit as long as you want. For mine, I have knit total of 13 cables, just like this. So I counted these 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm here up till 13. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just show it to you because I already did the right side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop doing the cable stitch on the 14th. So I'm going to knit, and this automatically gives me a way to curl it up. Okay, so I'm going to do that about, I'm not going to do the cable on this side, as you can see, because of this cable. See, this is a set of 2, and there's 1 knit in the between, so there's total of 13 knits here. So I am not doing this part of the cable anymore. So I'm going to continue knitting like that for 1, 2, 3. Well, actually 2. So that would be 1, 2. And on the 3rd, what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch knitting the front of the work on the wrong side, like this. Yeah, it's a very different technique, and I wanted to share with you while I'm knitting this cardigan, because this is new to me. I have never seen anything like this, and I just love the wrap of this cardigan. So I'm going to continue. So I'm going to just knit for 2 cables. And then when I come to the 3rd one, I'm going to start doing the opposite. So I will do purl here, and I will do knit. So what's going to happen is I'm going to move my cables towards the wrong side. Can you see? That's what I'm going to be building up. Is I'm going to start 1 stitch, and then every row I'm going to increase that 1 stitch, 2 stitch, 1 stitch, 2 stitch, until it's going to be a scoop like this. It's going to go towards the armhole area. I'm going to make this direct line, and then it's going to automatically fold when I'm wearing it. It will give me this nice wrap look. Okay, that's what I'm creating. So I'm going to let you knit, and I will come, I don't know how many videos I'm going to make, so I will make a couple of videos, and I will put together how this will go. Like so first I'm going to knit. Our first thing is I'm going to knit 2 cable stitch up to here, just knit. I'm not going to do cables, and I will come back to show you how to do this. And I'm going to increase that on the wrong side until, see how it looks? This is the wrong side of the work. You can see the wrong side of the work. When you turn it, this is the front of the cardigan. I can wear it like this as well, and I can wear it like this, and this is the main thing, because I don't like closed neck area. So this is the reason I chosen this pattern, and I wanted to share with you. There's no written pattern. This is the first time I'm knitting with you, so please bear with me. It's really time consuming. So what I'm going to do is, I already did the cable here, right here. So I'm just going to do nothing here. I'm just going to do knit stitches. That's all I'm going to do until I have, so I did 1. I'm going to do 1 more. So I'm going to knit for a total of 8 rows. Just like this. Nothing different. See? 8 rows, just to show you. Because 4 rows, after 4 rows you do the cable, 8 rows you do the next cable. So after doing the 8 rows, we're going to start knitting like this. 1 stitch, 2 stitch, and then 4 stitch, 5 stitch. So we will move it towards the back and we will make the cables. Okay, so I will be right back. So excited about this pattern. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. See, I did 1 cable here and I did my second, so I'm just gonna knit this, nothing else to be done. And I'm gonna knit 4 more rows. After knitting the 4 more rows, we're going to start knitting like backwards, I guess. It's really hard to explain. Right here, see, I have 1, 2. So on the 3rd, we're going to start knitting this way. Okay, so I will finish this 4 row and I will show you how to make this part. And see, it automatically curls. It's natural because of the knitting. See? I didn't put buttonholes because I'm going to pin it. If you want, you can make buttonholes. It's up to you. Or you can sew it up and make a buttonhole like this. But I wouldn't do it because I just like the nature of the knit. Okay, so I will come back and show it to you. Okay, so I'm at that point where I'm going to start reversing the cable stitch to the wrong side of the work. So I did my last cable stitch, so I'm just gonna knit. Just regular knit. And then when I come to the last 2 stitches, I'm going to purl. So what I'm doing this is because I'm going to make this part the wrong side of the work. So when you fold the collar, the wrap, it's going to be facing towards this. When you fold it, you will see the right side of the fabric. Okay, so I did 1 purl. This is going to be the right side of the work, the collar that I'm starting. So I'm not knitting the first stitch. So I did a purl on the wrong side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to knit. So I'm going to make another knit. Okay. And then I'm just going to knit regularly, just regular. What I'm going to knit what I see. Okay, so when I come back, I'm going to knit 1 extra stitch purl. So this would be right here. And then when I turn my work, I would make another purl. So I am going to continue knitting like that until I'm going to continue knitting like this all the way. And while I'm doing that, I am making my cables on the wrong side of the work. See? So I continue knitting 1 stitch every row. I'm adding 1 stitch, so it gives me this nice line. Okay, and I knit that all the way. A lot of knitting involved. Okay, so I will knit that all the way, but I'm going to do the underarm as well. So I will come back to show you how to do the underarm. Meanwhile, I will continue adding 1 stitch every row and then making my cables. But I will come back to show you how to make the cables. A lot of knitting involved, as you can see. See? Here I don't do anything. but I start doing the cable on the edge. See? So I keep on adding one stitch until I have the length that I need when you fold your collar like this. Okay, that's how it looks like when you wear it on. I haven't tried it yet, but yeah. Okay, so I will come back. So I'm going to be knitting, I would say 1, 2, 3 more. So 3 more cables, and I will come to show you how to do this cable on the other side of the work. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am doing the cable row. I'm almost at the end. Unfortunately, I can't make this one because I'm going to turn these 2 stitches to purl, so I won't have enough stitch. It's supposed to be 6 knits to make a cable, so I am going to knit just regular knit until I come to the one. So 3 more. I'm going to make this a purl and then knit all the way to the end. Okay, for the next row, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cable stitch right there. Okay, see, this is what happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab my cable needle here. So the first 3 I am going to, just looking at this, grab it from here. Okay, I'm just gonna knit. So I'm going to knit the 3 stitches, and then I am going to just grab it. Okay, so I have 6 stitches here, and I knit 1, and then I make this one as a knit as well, and I'll just continue knitting back and forth, back and forth. So I am going to continue making 2. When I come back, I'll make another purl on the other side and knit here. So this is going to get bigger until it becomes this way. So I will come back to show you the underarm on how to bind off the stitches, and this is all to it. So a lot of knitting involved, so continue making your cables every 4 rows. So automatically, let me just put this on here and then show it to you how it looks like. Yeah, it's a little bit and then automatically you will notice you will notice that it's going to be folding like this. See, because of the knitting it differently. Yeah, so I will come back to show you how to do the underarm. Let me just grab you the right side of the front. Here it is. Because being a plus size, I had to bind up so many stitches and then go from there. And then I did the same technique as I did on the sleeve, which I did, got rid of 2 stitches here, 2 stitches here, and then it gave me this nice underarm. Okay, so I'm gonna let you go and I will continue to knit. I just need to knit, just looking, a couple of more rows of cable stitches, and I will show you how to do the underarm. Yeah, a lot of knitting involved. So I will see you on the next tutorial on how to bind off the underarm. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye. Happy knitting.